everyone. So today the session is all about key to success. Now, what is the key to success that we will discuss, and what are the importance, why we cannot be a successful person, how we can be successful, and also I will tell you two main important factors, and also we will do one exercise. So we'll start the session. First thing is specialization. To be a successful person, you should find one specialty that you have. You should be special in something. You should have a specialization. Then only you will get this success in life. So first we'll discuss the importance. Why it is important to get this specialization and how it becomes the key to success. I will give you one example here, and we'll start with examples so that you are able to get the things what I'm going to say. Right? So you just compare the doctor and a surgeon. You can compare them easily. A surgeon is a person who has some specialty. In the same way you also find one specialist thing that you are in. One special niche that you can find. It's the better way to get the success in life, right? And also I'll give you a few more points why it is important. See, you will find a vision for your life. People can trust a specialist on more than a general person, than a person who are into everything, right? So a specialist on more than that, and a specialist is a person who can create the authority. Right. So these are the points which is so important, and you have to work upon the specialization of yours. Now, why we cannot be successful? This is the main thing. We never thought about it. We never introspect that why I am not successful, why I don't have choose any particular specialization, why I am not at that level. So why it is not had been done? I will tell you the reasons. First of all, that we are not able to see our growth. We don't have a vision. We don't have any targets in life. And something which is so important, that we don't have the mentor to give the directions in life. The right direction is so important for you to being a successful person, to being a specialist person. So you must have one mentor in your life to become a successful in something that you can say, yes, I have achieved something in my life. Now we'll talk to important factors. Now, what are the important factors? See, first of all, being in a specialization in something, you should know your niche. Now, what is niche? Niche is the same thing that you are an expert in something. You are expert in doing one particular thing, right? Now, how do you find the niche? I will give you two factors here. First is niche, that you can find any skills that comes naturally to you. Any kind of skill, any kind of passion that you have, any passion that is come naturally to you. Like you are not making any much more effort to get that specialization, to get that niche. First is this. Now the second thing is how you can find your niche is you should be doing some work, like you have some experience from last many years. That also could be your niche. So there are two ways to find your niche. One, any natural skills for which you are not making much efforts, and the second thing is you are doing some work from last many years. That is called your experience, right? In this way you can find your niche. And the important thing in that is your niche should be monetized. That means you can earn money from your niche. It is so important for everyone that you should, if you are doing something on a regular basis but you are not getting money for it, then there is no use of your passion and no use of your skills. That is useless, because at some point of time you should have money in life, and money is so important for everyone. Then what you can do in that case, if your niche is not like monetizable, then what you can do, change that. Change your niche. Choose the niche or build your skills on that which you can monetize, from which you can earn money. So you can do this, right? So you have to work upon the important factor, that is wish. Now we will do one exercise here, that is, you can write upon that exercise. You can just write on a pen, take a pen and paper, just write about it. Any 3 things that you have lived from last many years, like you have lived in the middle of your career. Like, I'll give you my example here. I started my job in school. I left the job. Then I worked as an RJ. I left that too. I used to write blogs. I left that too in the middle of. So these some kind of things which I have left in the middle. My job, my RJ work, my script writing work, my blog writing things. So these are the things which I have left in the middle because I don't have the mentor to guide me. I don't find it so cool to do things. So this is what I did. Now it's your turn. You just find any 3 things that you have left in the middle, right? And then we will discuss why you did it. So thanks till then, and just keep working upon